How many of you actually use credit cards here or debit cards? Just raise your hand. Debit, you have a debit card. What do you have? A debit card? And we've never met before, right? On the back, there is a CVV number, which is a 3-digit number, right? Do you remember your CVV number? You don't remember your CVV number. Can you take a look? Do you don't have your debit card with you? You right now do. Anybody has a debit card with them or a credit card by any chance? Do you have an ATM pin number though? It's worth a shot, yeah? Worth a shot. Do you have an ATM pin number? Do you remember your ATM pin number? Perfect. I want you to focus on your ATM pin number. Okay? And I'm going to tell a set of numbers, a set of a 4-digit number basically, and I just want you to answer in a yes or a no. Is your ATM pin number 1108? No. No, it's not. Well, it's simple then. You thought of the wrong number. I'm kidding. Listen. But you do remember your ATM pin number, right? All right. Can you join me on stage for this? What is your name, by the way? Lueza, ladies and gentlemen. Lueza, this side you stand. Lueza, I've got a bunch of things actually. I've got a bunch of envelopes and a bunch of these cards. So I'm going to come back to the envelopes later. There's a rubber band on them. We'll come back to all those things later. So Lueza, I've got 4 of these. You are going to write down your ATM pin number right here. Okay? And you will fill this up. Should be easy. Okay? But you will do this standing behind my back. So I can't see what you're doing. So you'll stand here and do it. I have a pencil for you. Right? Hold that. Do not show this to anyone. Do not let the camera see it. Do not let them see it. Don't let anybody see it. Okay? But wait, before you start, let me grab the other pencils also. Luenza. What does your name mean, Luenza? Lueza. What does that mean? Pearl. So you could have just simply kept it Pearl and we would have had an easier life. Alright, Lueza, stand right here behind me. While she's doing that, I want the rest of you to think of a random 4-digit number. A 4-digit number that means nothing to you. If anybody came to know about that 4-digit number, they would only judge you but not care. Alright? And we had both of you here. How about, what did you drop? It's okay. It's just a book. It's not like I spend money on it or anything. Why is my life like this? Dude, take this, and give 3 of those to those people as well next to you. And you're going to write down your numbers. Make sure you do not let me see what your numbers are. Yeah, थोड़ा जल्दी कर ले बेटा, सबको जाना तो हर चीज स्लो करता है यार, थोड़ा जल्दी कर ले. Okay? Do not let. No, I know him. He'll write it on his hand. He'll not. Just write down the numbers. Don't let me see it. Luenza, are you done? I'll just call you Pearl now. Pearl, are you done? Are you done? Hide the card from me. Just give me the pencil. I have another show tomorrow. Yeah, you're done, guys. Okay, I'll take your pencils back, or you can leave it on the table. I'll just leave them on the table. Lovely. We'll take them back later. Lueza, hide your card from me. Hold it in your hand, sandwiched like this. Lovely. Don't let anyone see it, okay? Perfect. Like I said, before you dropped my book, I have got these envelopes with me, okay? Now, what we're going to do is this. I'm going to give you guys a couple of envelopes first. Take this. I'll just give you 3 together. Don't do anything, just hold those envelopes with you. Don't do anything, give it to them, the ones who have their cards on. Okay? Now this is what you have to do. Look at this very carefully. Lueza, don't let me see what your information is. Just slide it inside the envelope. This is what you have to do. You're going to put the information in like this, facing down. Okay? I'm not going to look what you're doing right now. Is it in? Yeah. Perfect. Now if you see on the top of the envelopes, you'll see a little white strip. Yeah. That is double stick tape. So basically, come here, look at this. It's okay, I don't bite. I mean, I've stopped now. So you can, I've stopped. So you can basically peel it off. So there'll be a sticky, don't throw it down like that. That was just to show you what not to do. And then you're going to seal this up. All right, so do that with your envelopes. You're going to do it with yours. Seal it up tight as you can make it. Lovely. And I'm going to bring the chair here for you as well. So you can sit here and not drop things. There you go. Are you done? Are you done? Okay, collect all the envelopes, Rahul, collect all the envelopes. Or you can collect them, it's okay. And give it to Lueza here. Yes. Lueza, mix up the envelopes. Mix them up so you don't know which one is yours or you don't know which one is theirs and you have no idea what the hell is going on in your life right now. Pretty much like this guy who writes jokes on his hands. Should not have sat here, dude. Shouldn't. Alright, Lueza, do you have any idea which one's yours and which one's theirs? So now we have three envelopes. One of them is important because, well, your ATM pin number is written on it. Other 4 are not important. We're going to try and figure out which one is important, which one isn't, without looking at the envelopes or the numbers. Now, I can't do this myself. I need help. So I have a friend of mine. Have you heard about the art of ventriloquism? It's the art of speaking without talking. It's with the puppet and thing. Have you heard of that? Yeah, puppet, you speak without moving your lips. I've been practicing that for 6 months. I finally did a show on last Friday, I think. Yeah, last Friday I did a show and the show was absolutely bullshit. So I came up with, it's a difficult art form, to be honest. So I came up with my own way, easier way of doing ventriloquism. So the dummy is going to help us. His name is Lucifer. Guys, please welcome Lucifer, Morning Star. There you go. Nice, no? So, Luisa, how much are you regretting this right now? Okay, I want you to pick any 2 envelopes you like from that. Just pick up 2 envelopes. Doesn't matter what they are. Perfect. Don't open them. Put the other 2 down and hold both, one in each hand. Now, like I said, I have an easier way to do this without moving my lips, right? So we're going to try that. He is going to figure out where it is. Lucifer, are you ready? Yes! Okay. He's ready. He's ready. He's ready. He's ready. Lucifer, which one is not the ATM pin number? I have it! Okay, very good, yaar, very good. Very good. So much practice this requires. Which one is the non-ATM pin number, Lucifer? The one in your right hand. The one in your right hand is what he says. So put the left one down on with the other ones. Tear it open. Tear it open. Yeah, you can tear. Yeah, don't worry about the envelopes. Yeah, take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Okay. So somebody did not. It's okay. Screw this. This is not your ATM pin number. Yeah, obviously. All right. Let's do one more. So hold two in your hands. 2 again in your hands. Lucifer again. I like her. Okay, listen, Lucifer. It's okay. Can you believe I get paid for this, Luisa? People pay me so I can do this nonsense. Yes. What do you do for a living?
I'm a dentist.
You're a dentist. So just this much away from being a real doctor, yeah? Sorry. I'm kidding. I'm not even a real ventriloquist. I spent 12,000 on this shit, okay? All right, hold them in your hands. Lovely. Lucifer, focus. I know what's coming next. That made me laugh. Yeah. All right. Which one is it? It's again the right one. It's again the right one. Oh my God. Put the left one down. What are you doing, dude? Get some variety, man. All right. Pull it out. Is that your ATM pin number? Is it close? Who the hell wrote boob on this? Which one of you has written? No, I'm not kidding. I wish the cameras. Can you catch that? Somebody actually wrote boob on this. That is shitty. I know, right? Boob on this. Who the hell? Dude, I'm asking one of you after the show. We have 2 left. Did you open one already? No? Give me that. We don't need it. Okay. 2 envelopes left. This time, again, same drill. Same. Are you enjoying yourself right now? Seriously? What the fuck? This shit, dude. Okay. Okay. Luisa, one last time. Focus. Lucifer, focus. I have nothing. Really? Okay. Then you have to touch the envelopes then. Yes! One day I'm going to forget to keep my hand like this. It's going to look absolute bullshit. Okay. Nothing on that one. Can you bring that one closer? The right one? Okay, give me the left one again. Give him the left one again. It's a real person, okay? Oh yeah. Yeah, I know. It's a switch inside his mouth. Okay. So this time, Lucifer, a very good friend of mine. Can we have a round of applause for him, guys? Yes. Yeah. Good. Okay. This is the one he says does not have your ATM pin number. So I want you to put that on the floor. Put that on the floor. No. The one which is your ATM pin number. Put that on the floor. We'll find out whether that is the real one or not. Open this up. If that is not her ATM pin number, that means we found her ATM pin number and everybody freak out, okay? Pull it out all the way. Is that your 3698? No? That's not your ATM pin number. We found her ATM pin number, dude. Give me that. I know. Look, leave it there. Don't pick it up. Chi. Gandhi bachi. Chi. Gandhi bachi. Okay, listen, Luisa, it's no fun if we do it like this, right? Okay, I need my marker now. There's supposed to be there's a boob. Who for the fuck writes down? Okay, yeah, there's a marker. Now, Luisa, I want you to focus on your ATM pin number. Just simply focus on it. Okay, we'll do it without the book first. Let me just focus on the ATM pin number for me. Focus just on the first digit. Imagine the first digit is written right here on the book. Do you see it? Just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 for me in order.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
You averted your gaze at 4. Is the first digit 4 by any chance? It's not. So is it 9? It's 9. The first digit is 9. What, you people do this every day? What? Okay, I think they want the whole number. Yeah, I'm going to write it down. 9 is the first digit, yes? Good. Go for the second one. Close your eyes and say these things out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Say it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
You evidently stop at 6 for some reason. I'm going to say the first two digits are 9 and 6. Does that make sense? And the second one is very close. I think that is a 7. 9, 6, 7. We just need, yes, thank you. Finally somebody cares. Now we just need one digit. But there's a problem. ATM pin number, right? An invasion of privacy and all that. Yes. So I'm not going to write it down. Or you know what should I write? I'll write it down. But I'll show it to her only. Okay, I'll show it to her. I'll not write it. I'll write it for you. I'll not show it to you people. Okay, is that fair? If she says yes, then I got it, right? 9, 6, 7, you already know. Luisa, look at the digit here. Imagine it's written down here. You kind of gaze. Okay, you know what? I'm going to give this a shot. I'm confused between two digits. I'm going to go with the best one that I feel it is. Is that your ATM pin number? Yes? Is that your ATM pin number? That is your ATM pin number, guys. 9679. Luisa, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Luisa. You can go back to your seat. Give her a round of applause.